Good. You want to tell the kids at Legacy Academy of Excellence exactly what your position is? Because I used to organize what was called Food Club.
Oh, yeah?
And I guarantee that when my kids look at this, they will think it's rustic, but they'll also think it looks delicious.
The Yugoslav partisans do want to know if you want any lamb liver to cook.
Sure.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right over there.
Oh, okay. I'll come by later on.
Excellent.
Bring it over.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Got some lamb liver on the way. Looks like we got fresh bread and
I made
potatoes with maybe
No,
red
this is-
cabbage, something with red cabbage color.
No,
Beets. Beets.
It's a fruit compote in Russian.
Ah.
They would. It's poached pears.
Very nice.
Actually, this is more French because I poached it in port wine. And like in Russia, that you would buy it off the street. You'd buy poached fruit off the street. Would you like some, ma'am?
Oh man, it's delicious. Sarah, you want to try a pear? Very good. She's the math teacher. Man, it's delicious.
It's just fruit poached in port wine and simple
really
syrup.
She's averse to.
No, you're making your bread in
Oh my
the,
God, it's delicious. Dutch oven.
Cast iron pot?
No, I got that'll be stroganoff. This is gonna be.
Oh, stroganoff.
This is gonna be. I'm not good at rolling out the dough. Gonna be pelmeni, which is like Russian, like tortellini, but it's got you stuff it with pork and beef, onions, garlic. I
So
add herb.
this is going to be a stuffing for it or a sauce
No,
for something else?
That's ajika, which is a spicy sauce, a Russian salsa.
Ah, a jika.
Ajika, and it's fresh.
Good, sir.
Beautiful. Here we
Would you
go.
like me to-
I've got the lamb parts.
Yep. I
Beautiful.
could say it is part of fascist and liver.
Are they
fascist.
cooking a whole lamb?
Yep, they're cooking the whole lamb.
Oh, there's going to be a whole lamb cooked here somewhere today.
They have to cook it separately because they don't have the commodities.
Right. I went to Costco to get the lamb carcass.
He didn't say Costco. He meant the
I
ration
wish.
barracks.
They had them, but they didn't have the front part of the
Did you
legs.
get this from
Excellent.